Well guys, it's arrived. A couple of days ago, to be honest. It's been absolutely hammering it down. I didn't want to walk to the greenhouse, really can't get it wet. Here it is. The Single Seed Potato Challenge 2026. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to chip this, but it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. 6 chits on this one maybe. But what I'm actually going to do is, I'm going to let it chit a little bit more and then count correctly how many I've got. Single Seed Potato Challenge for 2026. Got 6 chits. Good chitting luck to everybody else, and I'm looking forward to some of the results.